Good evening. Good evening. Ghana for good evening. Share Akufo-Addo, the president of Ghana. I'm addressing this message to you and your troop. Adia baako a mepese moti ase ne say, if you are not ready to be criticized, if you are not ready to be criticized, please resign. If you are not ready to be criticized, please resign. Adia baako a ese mu hu ne say yan criticize wa ebeye den na wo hu say ade a wo ye no eye anasa enye ye criticize wa ebie wani ema onyansa ema hu nioma bebre na ompese obi abeka wasem de a nana ho na wuru wo mo Ghana fo na wuru wo mo Ghana fo ato aba ma wo na wuru wo man no nioma bi nkoyi a eye se ebinom ye den eka de obeye no enye obi afe eye se ebinom ka hwe Captain Smart me investigation bi but me who say Captain Smart or MPP na say Captain Smart or MPP na say Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of Ghana, say Captain Smart criticize wa or 100% right. Say ko NDC America say a political situation. But even though NDC krana, NDC baso emre bi atwamuko. Na MPP for den criticize wo mo. Entino say eye Canada Japan criticize wa nka be den. Die wo ye no nana jai. Men nye pesamekumunya. Men can say the history has made why a president, that was your wish. Why a president into the aka no de and found. Nana, I'm sorry. I hope say what doctor. Emma doctor I catch you say you don't have any problem. I hope say doctor I catch you say you don't have any problem. Na say doctor to me akasa asem na chire wo dia nana mesrew. Fensio kakra fa mix wine. Say sa command no say free war go and rectify. Say free war call your people to rectify your statement, whether it comes from you or it comes from your troop. Jentra me say menye person kunya ne say wo pese either Alan Tramantin anase Bawumia ebe toa adwuma ana wo plans no so a ne wa hya ase no o ye den o feli sankofo no me enu nyina eno ntina me use the word pesemenkunya de amount say wo pese wo nko say ai wo de wadi ade na wie and that was your wish nti wo say no na wakwa na o ye mistake. Se wo pese Bawumia eto wadwuma so wo pese Alan Tramantin eto wadwuma so wo pese MPP party no egusu to so de a wo ye mistakes ma Captain Smart ensanko no nkonko ye na adwuma minim se adwuma na nya wo de a but Captain Smart according to interview a o ye no o see ne boss see cause a onya no e too much. The cause come from where? The cause come from where? Untimi kan chem say cause we no e free NDC for ho na eko. There be. Na metama wo baye. O kan sem bebre. Why kakra? Good. I appreciate it. Why kakra? Unye ni nyina yesi onipa beye bi no ame ni nyina. But wo baye want to me anchi NDC ni bi antum no. E ho na mhu nse nana. Sebi mpeduasa metumi hu say question mark wo ho because wonso no ahwehwetre bi esra yanda kire say wonso u free officer obi be chew ne nkofo na gum because wonso ba say wo be dibi e ma mo Ghana mo wo hefa obi ntumi ensole e mema mo Ghana mo wo hin ebi ntumi ensole na ye njai MPP ni NDC no Obi entumi sorry. A girl like, you know, I admire this girl. Like Nana Ba Anamwa. Very, very sharp girl. We can push this girl. Oh, we can push this girl. We have intellectuals in Ghana. We have people, even without education. They have here to rule Ghana. Yes, you nipa didi we na mo onye de on kan semu wie. Ene de kakra bi na meka a kire President Akufo-Addo. Misrew de wo ye no wo sai o party. De wo ye no wo sai o party. Kokromoti na toma ho no. Sa kokromoti no wan hwe ye a ono abeden e be san yiwa ma. Adwuma de wo ye bi. Ye kase ye ko ewiase afana a adwuma wo ye bi. No kropa na meka kire wo no. Wo ye adwuma. Na mesrew se ye den fa insuo kakra mix o wine. Na wo sei udin. Se wo pie ana wonti a nye de ye pie ye te ye ma message no. Ghana for empento kwasem. Ghana for empeka kayo. Ye criticize it, which is our right to criticize. Obi criticize ya no nche se o ye den. Wo be se na dwuma ana ba china tum. Onya army na why dictator wo Ghana ama ye. O chami oni masamka o se nana wasum. Tie ni ye pa o ya kan ni ba. Tie ni ye many mistakes because what the abandon we what an officer we the history has made no many some mistake you know we mistake why then what sen ko fo bebre ade Kwaku Paris ni chopa take care and God bless Ghana, our homeland.